Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Beats cables and the Beats pill in some new exciting colors. Now you can pick these up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. Let's get right into it. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I
White
love
shoes?
my white shoes.
Calm down. Okay, let's start off with the Beats cables. Now these are going to run you $18.99. They come in 4 different colors. You got Black Bolt, Surge Stone, Nitro Navy, and Rapid Red. Now these cables are 1.5 meters long, that's 5 feet. They're made from tangle-free materials, supports up to 60 watts, and you can transfer USB 2.0. If you connect these to the right product, you can stream lossless audio, and they come in 2 different versions. You got USB Type-C to USB Type-C, and USB Type-C to Lightning. All right, so let's check these out. First up, we got the Black Bolt. Like I said, $18.99. Okay. Of course, I got to struggle with the packing. Oh, I'll just open it just like that. Okay. Simple and effective tech. Nice little cable right here. You got your Beats branding. Tangle-free material. So what does that mean? When you throw these in your pocket and you take them back out, untangle just like that. Okay, and again, 5 feet long. Shoes, inspect that for quality. Let's take a look at the Surge Stone. Now this is going to look dope with the Beats pill. Okay, Surge Stone. Nice sand kind of color. Beats logos. Now I went with all USB Type-C because I don't have any Lightning products anymore. All right, shoes, do your thing. Next up we got Nitro Navy. Okay, Nitro Navy. Let's see, did anything come in here? Just your usual books and shit. No troll stickers. Okay, this is Nitro Navy. Now let's see, this one actually had a little foam right there. Okay. Nitro Navy. Again, Beats logos. Oh, let me see something. I actually got a Beats phone case. Okay, let's see, the Nitro Navy would look dope with this. Okay. And we got one more. Now this is the one I really wanted. Rapid Red. I got a lot of red Beats products, so this should come right in handy. Okay, here we go. Rapid Red. Ooh, look at that. Rapid Red. Again, tangle-free material, 5 feet long, stream lossless audio. All right, so let me plug these in and we'll try some products. All right, so first, let's start off with an iPhone. And on a side note, we got another Beats case. Now, I did a separate video on this. I love this case. Has a nice shiny feel to it. And if you look closely, little Beats logo in red. So let's try the red Beats cable. Plug that in. Charging right up. Beats logo on deck. All right, so let's see. Let's grab some Power Beats. We'll try the black cable. Charging right up. Beats logo. Oh, as a matter of fact, we'll put the Beats logo facing up. There's your charge. Nice little match right there. Let's see. Okay, so we got another red Beats product. We'll do logo facing up. Look at that. This looks sick. Okay, this is a nice look if you got a little desktop setup. Why not keep everything uniform? Now we can try the other colors too. I'm not going to plug them in, but I just want to show you something real quick. Matter of fact, let's make sure it charges first. Okay, these are some Beats headphones. Charging up. Let me see. The gray might look better with this. Yeah, that's a nice color right there. Little gray combo. All right, shoes, back up. Let me show you something that's dope though. Watch this. If you get the red, if you got the red Beats pill, let's get it. Let's see. We'll do logo up. Plug that in. And we're charging right up. Simple and effective tech. Okay, the Beats cables. $18.99. All right, so I just looked over to the side and I noticed I got a black Beats pill. Let's try the black cable. Beats logo facing up. Charging right up. How sick is this? All right, so one last side note. Now, just in case you was wondering, here's how the Nitro Navy and Surge Stone would look. Okay, Beats logos. Beats phone cases. All right, so now let's take a look at the Beats pill. Now these are going to run you $150. Now, on a side note, if you don't care about the colors, you can find these on Amazon for $130. Now, I'm not going to do a full review on these. I already did that. I'll leave a link for that right here. But let's recap the original colors. First up, we got black. Now, this is one of my favorites. Okay, you can't go wrong with black. As Wesley Snipes said, always bet on black. Passenger 57. Next up, my absolute favorite, the red. Okay? And of course, we got the gold. Okay, so these are the 3 OG colorways, red, gold, and black. Now, we also got 2 Kim Kardashian colors. We got the gray. Real nice. And we got light gray. Okay, these are the Kim Kardashian colorways. Now let's take a look at the new ones. All right, so first up for the new colors, we got blush pink. Now this one is exclusively sold at Target. This one is going to run you $150. As far as the presentation, everything is exactly the same. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. And let's see what kind of cable we get with this one. Okay, now check this out. This is, it's pretty cute, you know, fellas. Don't let nobody tell you can't rock pink. All right, shout out to my man Cameron. You can rock pink if you want. You know, if you're feeling a little zesty, why not? This one has the Pink Beats logo. Okay, now I know my girl is going to text this one immediately. Beautiful. Now let's see what color cable you get. Okay, black cable. Okay, so this is the blush pink. Again, here's all the other colors. You can see for yourself which one y'all like best. This is blush pink. All right, let's keep it moving. All right, so next up, we got navy blue. Now, this one is exclusively sold at Walmart. So the pink, exclusively at Target. The navy blue, exclusively at Walmart. Okay, same presentation. Let's check this one out. Okay, navy blue. Now this one right here, this one is hot. This one is hot. Let me see what kind of cable you get. Okay, black cable. I guess the Kim Kardashians are the only one that come with themed cables. Let's get them peel this off. Okay, check this out. Navy blue. Beautiful. Power this up. Now this is when the Beats cables are going to come in handy. Look at the blue cable with the Beats logo for your Beats pill. Now, my biggest gripe with the Beats pill is I wish you could pair more than 2 together. Oh, no, I'm hitting the wrong button. I wish you could pair more than 2 together. Ooh, but the sound on these are my vacation speakers. Okay, they sound great. Apple ecosystem. All right, let me get and turn that off. Now, let's see. For the pink, I would probably use... For the pink, I'd probably get the black Beats cable. Let's see how this would look. Yeah, pink and black, why not? Keep it simple. Of course, for the red, you're going to need that red cable. Okay, drop that in there just like that. Beats logo, Beats logo. All right, rep your set. And let's see, black, of course, black and black, why not? That's how that's going to look. Oh, look at this. Now, the gold, I just noticed, the Surge Stone with the gold. Let's make sure we got that Beats logo up. Now, these are tangle-free cables. You see how I just put them like that? Oh, now this is fire right here. I love this gold color too. Let's see. For the Kim Kardashian, I would probably go same thing. Surge Stone. And for the gray, Surge Stone. But here's the navy blue and the pink. What y'all think about the new colors? Hit me up in the comments, let me know, and let me know which color is your favorite. Anyway, let's kind of wrap this video up. All right, so these are the new Beats cables and the new Beats pill colors. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me broke. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock, one to beam up. Energize.
Hey guys, Jerry Springer here. Subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real reviews. He has a tech channel on YouTube, and he already has over 2 million subscribers, so give him a look. You may like it, and it could be very useful. Take care of yourself and each other.